welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Styled by Roena. We do anything beauty and fashion related, so you will see beauty videos, makeup tips. You will see other fashion related stuff. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and please share, and please watch and comment and join the SBR Nation, because we're here to slay. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so my eyebrows are already done. I did a video on that just now. I will link the video up here and put it in the description below. Alright, so go check out my eyebrow tutorial. And I have on my face, firstly I had primed it with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, this one, and then I have the concealer. So what I normally do is I put on my concealer before my foundation, because it allows it to set on my face and it has more coverage. So the concealer I'm using is this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it's in the shade Fawn. All right, so yeah. Okay, might go in with the Aromas palette. I'm going with this. I'll mix this. Alright, so with this step, guys, you just want to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. So the color should not be sparse. You know, just trying to make sure that it is all over your eyelid in a nice manner, you know. I'm moving on to the next one. I'll sped this up because this is just repetitive. It's literally using the one color that you have chosen. So I chose purple for this, but you can choose obviously any color that you want to. And it's just making sure that on both bases of your eyelids they are distributed evenly. I use this one. So I'm going in with that lighter shade just under my eyebrow, you know, so that does two things. It sets the concealer that was there prior to, you know, me putting on the eyeshadow, and it also kind of gives it a gradient, so it doesn't look as harsh. So you don't see where the purple ends. If you're looking at this, you will see that where the purple ends is not as harsh as it was without it. So that's what we use that color to do, that lighter shade. I'm then going in with that lighter lilac color. So with this, it is obviously a 2-color eyeshadow routine. So whatever 2 colors that you're using, you make sure that the color that you want to be showing the most is, you know, the base, and then you use a color that you want to give it a bit of highlight, that you want to give it a bit of edge. So for me, this color is lilac, and I'm just making sure that I put it just on the lid, so it doesn't go above that hooded area. It just goes on the lid, so that it kind of accentuates the eye and the whole thing. Obviously you'll see me going back in a lot because you want this color to be prominent. It's not going to be a lot, it's not going to take up a lot of space on your eyelids, but you want it to be just enough that it is relevant and it makes sense. So guys, this is the final product. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Just include hashtag SBR Nation in your comments for a chance to be shouted out in my next video. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye. Okay guys, so it's shout out time, and today I'll be shouting out two persons who included hashtag SBR Nation in the last video. So Jedida Gale, thank you honey for including SBR Nation, as well as Mervyn Daly. Thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, and continue to watch. Alright, so guys, remember, if you want a chance to be shouted out, just include hashtag SBR Nation in your comments. Alright, and I'll probably shout you out in the next video.